Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's fun pack video, I am going to show you guys how I'm going to detangle my hair using the Blue Magic cholesterol and a mixture of aloe vera juice and water. And then later on in the video, I'm going to give a short review on the Cream of Nature Mango shampoo and conditioner. I got a lot to cover in this video, so sit back and relax and enjoy the show. This is a pre-proof and review video, and I hope you like it so much. So right now I am taking a bottle of water and aloe vera juice and spraying it in my hair. Now I only use about 1/4 cup, well 1/4 of that bottle of aloe vera juice, and then I fill the rest of it with water, regular warm water, and then I just sprayed it in my hair so that my hair can get juicy and lubricated. It's windy outside, so I wanted to make sure I kept that lubrication in my hair because you know the wind will dry it out. So right now I am taking some conditioner, the Blue Magic cholesterol conditioner, and adding it to my hair. I'm putting it on the outside of my hair first, and then I'll break it down later on into 4 sections and put it on the inside of my hair. Now, by me having a lot of hair, it's best for me to make sure I coat my hair on the outside and inside because I have deep, dense hair, and if I just put it on the outside of my hair, I'm going to miss spots on the inside of my hair. A lot of you guys have seen me condition my hair before, and I do all my conditioners the same way. No matter if it's a leave-in conditioner, no matter if it's a protein treatment, deep conditioner, I do them all the same way. I go on the outside first, and then I come on the inside second. So now I'm showing you the back of my hair. The back center part going right down the middle is the most delicate part of my hair. So I usually coat that a little bit heavier back there because it needs more attention. And you'll notice that I'm not using a comb in this process. I usually just use my fingers. I don't part no kind of way. I just take my fingers, I feel my way through, and I just separate my hair. And I'm using these roller clamps too to keep my hair separated and keep me working in some type of structure. So now you'll see me using my fingers to feel the tangles. This will allow me to be very gentle and not break my hair. Then I'll spray some more water to make sure that my hair stays lubricated the whole time. The more slip you have in your hair, the less breaks you'll have. So this video is very self-explanatory, and I hope you can follow. I make my tutorials easy to follow. I hope you can follow. And I'll come back when it's time for me to add my caps. I'll be using to deep condition my hair for about 5 hours. So now I'm putting on a clear plastic cap. This is a $1 cap from the beauty supply house. Usually we get it free if you buy a lot of products, or if you just buy one product. Usually the beauty supply house will just supply this for you. And I'm putting this cap underneath the cholesterol cap. It's a self-warming cap. I like it because it penetrates the cholesterol into your hair shaft way deeper. These caps come in 2 colors, gold and silver. And when I tell you guys that these caps help penetrate my hair way better and way deeper, guys, those tangles just melted away so much easier. So now I'm going to show you a short clip of how I went out and ate with my friend today. I put on a head wrap around the caps and didn't nobody even know. And there was no leaks and drips. All right, guys, I am back from hanging out with my friend today. We went down and had some lunch. And in my previous video, I put some cholesterol in my hair and let it sit in my hair for the whole time I was gone. So I covered up my hair with my head wrap and 2 caps. And we're going to see what my hair is looking like. So here is my shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo, and I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Professional Moisture Extreme Conditioner. Put these 2 together. After I rinse out this pre-poo, this should help my hair balance out because I am on a lock journey, and I want my hair to have a good base before I start locking my hair. And to me, my hair wasn't in a good position because it felt dry. So I'm gonna rinse this out, and then I'm gonna come back and add the shampoo and conditioner in my hair, and then we're gonna continue from that point. So I'm going to detangle my hair first because I didn't detangle it when I put the conditioner in my hair, but that's the sole purpose of doing a pre-poo, is helping with the tangles. And with the lock journey that I'm about to get into, I'm going to have to keep these tangles. But right now, my hair is just too dry and it's not in the best shape. The base of my hair is, when I mean base, I mean by my hair is not in the best shape, in my opinion, to start my lock journey. And some of you girls say, well, Nez, you need to get your hair moisturized first before the journey because you know that locks are dry, and they are right. So I was thinking, should I do that or not? And you all confirmed it for me. You are confirmed and said, hey, Nezi, get your hair right. Get it moisturized first because you want to start your journey off right. So I am detangling this hair that was severely matted. Guys, you see how straight my hair is? My front is naturally kind of straight. It has a straighter texture. And I don't think that's going to lock up, but we'll see. It may lock up. It may take a while for it to lock up, if it does lock up. So I am shampooing my hair with the Creme of Nature Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo. When I tell you this is so lathery, it is lathery. This is ultra moisturizing. It has the best moisturizing feel to it. Just want to give you a quick review on it. My hair was so dirty, guys, and you know that I work in the garden at Lowe's. I'm pushing those big carts, all this dirt and from the plants be falling down on my head. So I went on and conditioned my hair with the mango conditioner from Creme of Nature. I like it. I felt like I needed to add some conditioner to my hair after I shampooed and stuff, just to bring my hair up to a good balance of moisture before I lock up. I wanted to do a protein treatment too, but what I'm going to do is use my Blue Magic leave-in conditioner instead that has protein in it, and then after this week or so, I can get started with my locks. I'll be back when I put the protein treatment in my hair. Alright guys, I am finally finished. I am finally happy. Well, after I rinsed the conditioner out and did my detangling session, which took about 15 to 20 minutes, I went on and put my Blue Magic tea tree oil leave-in conditioner in. And this has protein in it. And I went on and put a little bit of Motions leave-in conditioner on top of it and braided my hair up. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 braids, and I'm done. So I could probably get started two-strand twisting my hair on my next wash day and get started then, and I'm excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh.